Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq Scalping Bot. It's a channel about a Python program, my first Python program, that's meant to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq market with the goal to get some passive income. And in a daily report, I tell you guys how the bot is doing. And we didn't do well last couple of days, last couple of weeks. So let's see how we did today. And as usual, we start with the code and the editor screen. And the editor screen will tell us enough. Well, if you look at the channel the last couple of days and weeks, you know that if in the screen we saw these low numbers, 0.19, yesterday we had even better numbers than today. Yesterday we had numbers in the 1. Yesterday, all my troubles seem to fall. Yes. All the numbers were in the 1. And now the numbers are back to the 0.36, again with some bad responses from the API. But the entire day, 0, 0, 0.19, 0.17, 0.2, 007, 007. I saw him today. Yeah, so, yeah. It's the daily report about what? There's nothing. There's nothing to say. There's nothing to tell. The bot is still white. Of course, there's nothing to do. And if we look at the market, we see that in the market there is still nothing. It's as slow as the last couple of weeks, and the VIX had something. Wow, we had some action. No, this is 0.6%. It's nothing. It looks like we had a large candle, but it's nothing. Look at the Tesla. Nothing changed. It's in a downtrend. I looked it up. If we look in the 1 week, 1 day, 1 week, 1 week. It's following the downtrend line, so Tesla is in a downtrend. Nvidia slightly sideways up. It's more sideways than up. Then Google is going up, is an uptrend in the Google. Intel Corporation downtrend. Meta still up, and the red candle of yesterday turned into a blue candle again. Oh, this is the week. Yeah. So just turned red while I was looking at it as blue. Now it's red. Yeah, turned red for this week, but no action. And Apple sideways. Amazon uptrend, still going up. Microsoft sideways, and then we're back to the US 100 sideways, and the US 500 had a small up. I can remove these lines, this has no use. Had and always sideways, and that was it. It was a short one. It's not even 5 minutes. I don't know what to talk about. I hope that I was something to do, but there is nothing to do, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully there is more to see tomorrow. And all I have to say now is have a little fun every day.